In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a challenge in Kajabi community. To get started, head over to your Kajabi dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you'll access the tools needed to build and manage your community experience. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section and click into it. From there, select Community. This will take you to the area where your Kajabi community settings and features are managed. Next, click Go to Community. This opens the actual community environment where you can set up engagement features for your members. Once you're inside, find the Challenges section and click on it. Challenges are a great way to encourage participation, create momentum, and guide members through a focused experience over a set period of time. Now, click Add Challenge. This begins the setup process for your new challenge. The first thing Kajabi will ask you to do is choose the frequency. Here, you'll decide whether this will be a one-time challenge or a recurring challenge. A one-time challenge works well for something like a 5-day boot camp or a limited event. A recurring challenge is better if you want something that repeats on an ongoing basis, such as a weekly check-in or a monthly goal-based activity. Choose the option that best fits the experience you want your members to have. After that, click Select a Series. At this point, you can connect the challenge to an existing series or create a new series if needed. Organizing your challenge into a series can help keep your content structured and easier for members to follow, especially if you plan to run multiple related challenges over time. Once you've selected the appropriate series, click Next to continue. Now you'll be prompted to select a template. Kajabi gives you the option to choose a pre-built template or start from scratch. If you want a faster setup, a template can save time and give you a polished structure right away. If you prefer more control or want to customize everything yourself, building from scratch may be the better choice. Pick the approach that matches your workflow and the kind of challenge you're creating. Next, add a title and description for your challenge. This part is important because it helps members quickly understand what the challenge is about. Make your title clear and specific. In the description, explain the objective of the challenge, outline the action steps participants should take, and mention any resources they'll need to complete it successfully. The more clearly you communicate expectations here, the easier it will be for members to participate with confidence. After that, assign the access group. This determines which members are allowed to view and join the challenge. Be sure to choose the correct access group so the right audience can participate. This is especially helpful if your community has different membership levels, programs, or private spaces. Once that's set, click Next again. You'll then arrive at the Challenge Preview section. Here you can customize the visual preview for your challenge. You have the option to upload a photo or video or choose a random image. This preview is what members may notice first, so it's worth selecting something that matches the tone and purpose of the challenge. A strong visual can help make your challenge more inviting and easier to recognize inside the community. Finally, click Save. That will create your challenge and make your setup complete. As a quick recap, you started from the Kajabi dashboard, went into Products, opened Community, entered the Challenges area, created a new challenge, chose its frequency, connected it to a series, selected a template, added the title and description, assigned the appropriate access group, customized the preview, and saved everything. Once your challenge is live, you'll be in a strong position to guide engagement and give your community members a clear, structured experience inside Kajabi.